CVS with my crew. I'm getting 2 of the Doritos. They're buy one get one free. So I'm getting one of these. And then I wish they had the Cool Ranch ones. I guess they don't. So my husband likes this one, so I'm gonna get these. I already got a couple of things, so I printed a $2 off of 1 Game Flings from P&G every day for a brand saver. There's a digital coupon for this guy right here, $2 off, and $2 off with this one. And this is $7.99. I'm using the 75% off digital, and then the 2 off of 8 CRT. I'm using the 2 off of $8 CRT for snacks. These are $4.29 each, and these are $4.24 each with the $2 off. And then I have a 3 off of 12 laundry care CRT. So yeah, we're ready to check out. This was going to be a small trip. I'll go over there so you can see the signage as well. Okay, so this should finalize my spend 30 deal. I'm $2 short, guys, believe it or not. I'll explain later. But I printed this from P&G Brand Saver. I'm gonna do that. The Game Flings is also included, but they don't have any more up here at this store. This is a different store, and I found some really good clearance, guys. Really good clearance deals. I think I'm going to do. I came here only for pods, so this store has a lot of clearance items. No, I've never used that before. Okay. So this is a good deal. There's $4 off of 2 coupon. And they're $3.74, and then I have a $3 CRT. So I gotta go back to my car. And I don't think there was too much else I needed this week. Oh yeah, let me check for the Nexus deal. I wanted to do that deal. But they don't got the one I came for. Mark Anthony. Oh, that's cool. $2.32. Check that out. If you got that $3 CRT, you can use that with that too. Here's some more shampoo. I ain't never used that before though. Okay. Let me go check out. I've been in here too long, y'all. Just checking out all these clearance. It's still kind of expensive though. All right. Let me go check out. Yes, I am walking back to my car right now. I am about to go. I'm getting that Dove. That Dove is $3.74. You cannot beat that. Yeah, there's not a deal on it, but you can always give that away if you don't use it. So, all right, let me get my binder. Okay, guys, here is that coupon, if I can get it out of here. And then I'm going to be using my $3 off $12 hair care for that. Okay, let's go back. Everything I picked up for the cash card deal this week, guys. All right, so the chips are buy one get one free. The Tide Pods and Gain, Gain Flings are $4.94, and the paper towel is $7.99. Go ahead and print you one coupon from P&G Brand Saver. Print you another one for Tide for $2 off as well. You can use those and then combine it with digital coupons for everything else. Unfortunately, the Doritos didn't have a coupon. Here's the receipt, really fast. This was my first receipt. As you can see, they're $7.99 each here. Okay, the Gain Flings, $4.94, $4.94, Tide, Doritos. And there's my paper coupon, IP coupon, the Tide Digital Viva, and then the Tide Gain, and then the Gain. There's the 2 off of 8 paper CRT that I received, and my $2 CRT that I had. My subtotal was $16.60. I used a $5 gift card from Fetch. And then I had $6 cash on me. And then I paid the rest with ibotta funds that I had. Okay, so little did I know, I did not know, shall I say, is the free Doritos took my total down. Normally, that doesn't happen when it comes to, whenever it comes to you spending, it's before coupons. So I guess the free item did not count towards the free item. So I'm sorry, the free item did not count towards the spend 30 deal. Okay, so it only registered, it only picked up one. So I went back to the store, and the way you could tell, guys, is you go down here to your receipt. I was $2.90 short of getting the $10 cash card, as you can see there. Okay, so I went back to CVS and I picked up some more Tide Pods, which I showed you guys in the car, that receipt. So everything came out good. Now, if you are wanting to do this, I'm going to put a breakdown that you can just a screenshot and just take to the store with you. Thank you, guys. Here is the receipts as well, again, just to show you for the second transaction. And there's the coupons that I used. Here, I did also pick up these were on clearance, $3.74. I think I showed you in my car. And I think that's just the cash card that I cashed out. Okay. All right. And that is... Hi, guys. So mix and match the items that you need. Make sure you're picking up items that has the $10 cash card next to it. Look in the ad. It'll show you. Also, don't forget to pick up and scan those receipts for Fetch, because you're going to get even more points back, as you can see for the Viva, and then the Doritos I got points, and then also for that Dove if you decide to do Dove, guys. Hopefully this is a scenario you can do. I feel that this one's pretty simple, so this would be good for someone new, so you won't have to wait or find coupons. You can actually just go print them and add the digital coupons to your account, and you're good to go, and you're able to do this deal. So, all right, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.